see that take with the.
Are you gonna sing? You can see it when you're done singing.
Okay. When the wind blows, Krishna is in your heart. For when you are outside by yourself, every day it's like that. With Krishna in your heart, but Krishna never forgets you. He always remembers you for the times when you go to school and the times that you